Good morning, dear students. Today in English language, we'll be continuing chapter 14, Doing Words, Verbs. Children, before starting this exercise, I want to tell you something more important about the verb. Verbs with S and without S. Today, we will learn how to use verb with a noun and pronoun. Now today, for example, we have taken eat. Eat is a verb. When we use a verb with nouns, these nouns, we use S. See, he eats, she eats, the boy eats, the girl eats, the dog eats. Now see, in this nouns and pronouns, we are using S, children. And with I, you and we. Again, the same example, eat. I eat, you eat, we eat. Now you can see that with I, you and we are not using S here. We did not use eats, I eats, you eats, we eats. You have to learn this and you should remember this always. So children, I have made this table for you to understand easily. You can also make this table in your rough notebook. So whenever we use I, you and we never add S. Now look at this exercise number 3. It is just like the same exercise we did yesterday. Fill the blanks with the appropriate verb. I climb the stairs. Now if I say I eat stairs, children, does it make any sense? No. So we have to fill the appropriate verb in the sentence. So we will fill climb here. I climb the stairs. Number 2, I paint a picture. Now you can't say I eat a picture. So again you have to find out the appropriate verb. I paint a picture. Number 3, we watch television. Watch, we can only watch television. We cannot do anything else with the television. So watch is the appropriate word for this sentence. Number 4, we ride a cycle. When we are talking about cycle, definitely we are riding the cycle. So ride is a appropriate verb in this sentence. Number 5, you eat a burger. Eat is also an appropriate verb in it. Because burger, you enjoy burger, you only eat. You don't keep it in front of you and watch it. You just want to eat it. So you eat a burger. Number 6, you cut an onion. Onion is a vegetable and we cut it if we want to use it, right? So cut is an appropriate verb in this sentence. Now remember, students, that there is no S in these verbs. Why? Because we have used these verbs with I, we and you. So always remember, When a sentence begins with I, we and you, we don't use S. You can see here. This you have to remember. Exercise number 4. Match the verbs. Now see children, these are the nouns and these are the verbs. And you have to match these verbs with these nouns. Number 1 is clothes. We iron clothes. And see the number. You are matching the noun. Number is 1. So you will write number 1. Then number 2 is house. House, we sweeps, means we clean our house. And the number is 2. So you will write number 2 in front of this verb. Number 3, vegetable. Vegetable, what do we do with vegetable? Do we read? Do we climb vegetable? No. We cut the vegetable. And the number of vegetable is 3. So you will write the number 3 here in front of cuts. Number 4, food. We cook food. And the number of food is 4. So you will write number 4 here. Number 5, stairs. We climb the stair. We cannot read the stair, bake stairs. We can only climb the stairs. And the number of this noun is number 5. So you will write number 5 here in front of climb. Then newspaper. What do we do with newspaper? We read the newspaper. And the number is 6. So you will write this number in front of reads. Number 7, cake. Cake bakes. And the number is 7. So you will write the same number in front of bakes. Number 8, teacher. What do a teacher do? A teacher teaches. And the number is 8. So you will write the number 8 here in front of teaches. A teacher teaches. Here chapter 14 is completed, children. Now you have to do this work in your English language notebook number 2. Thank you.